knows what he's doing.
It's good.
We had to cut it at the bottom, the food. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at Rob putting his sail out. It's about twice as big as ours, so he's going to go hurtling past us in a minute.
And he's literally just taken up the anchor.
No, we did put it out straight away.
Yeah, we did. So this is Yali, this little island. Sorry, it might go out of focus for a second. This is Yali, beautiful little island, which has a massive quarry on it. We stopped here overnight last night. Quite windy again, maybe 20 knots of wind overnight, which is a bit of a pain. It did settle through the night, so we managed to sleep really well. And the plan today is to go over to the volcanic island of Nisyros, which I'll show you in a sec. This is the island of Nisyros in Greece, so sort of fairly south in Greece, just above the island of Rhodos, or Rhodes. And we're going to go and moor up on the town quay or small harbour. Then we're going to hire a car and go and see the volcano. And that's the plans over the next day or two. Looking forward to that. Yeah, you can grin.
Man make fire. Man cook food.
Eventually make fire.
Men in charge of food, that's always a bit dodgy, isn't it? We're having chicken fajitas. No, that's okay.
Touching chicken.
No, that's okay, because we can do the veg with that as well.
It's cooking, look.
Lovely.
It's cooking.
Look at that.
Oh, look
This
at
is
that.
one of those newfangled cobs.
So we're in Mandraki, which is the second, well, the main town on Nisyros. And there's a festival here tonight, so we've been told not to park in the actual town, to park in the port, so I have them, which is down there.
So I think this is the town square in Mandraki, and it's really quaint, it's lovely. It's not all the whitewashed buildings that you're kind of used to in Greece.
You see it, Kel?
So there must be hot springs down there.
Every now and again it just catches you, doesn't it? The smell and the... God, it's weird to think that you're in a volcano.
Yeah, and an active one at that.
So we're inside a volcano. That's a weird feeling. It's very, well, yeah, that's right. Is it mobile? It's very dusty. The smell of sulphur is quite significant. And it kind of burns your eyes, doesn't it? It's quite weird. My nose is feeling a bit itchy and everybody's sneezing, so it's quite incredible. The landscape. So you've got lots of different rock levels and layers. That's quite amazing. And this is obviously where the most activity is at the moment, just down here. So we're going to go and have a wander, try not to burn ourselves.
So today, I hope it's solid.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to walk across there. Yeah.
That's why they broke that one off.
So there are little sections that are actually smouldering, which looks quite surreal.
It's definitely sort of, it's either damp that's being evaporated off,
Yeah.
or it's gases, isn't it?
Take a video of that as well.
It's quite interesting. So we're in the town of Emporios on Nisyros Island, and apparently this was abandoned lots of years ago, and they've just started doing that.